flour perfectly, add 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Two to 3 tablespoons of ghee in it. Combine it properly. It's not fine flour. If you want that, you can go with that as well. It should be soft like this. Let's prepare roti now. Like, share, subscribe. Make a round roti. Now brush ghee on it. Sprinkle dry flour on it. Make cuts like this. Make as many you want. Now stretch it out. And give it a shape. Make a perfect round with rolling pin. Now cook it properly. Apply ghee on both sides. And cook it properly. Serve this however you want. Oh wow!